genetically modified food you consume, the less human you become. All right, welcome to the Health Ranger Report. This is Mike Adams, the Health Ranger, reporting for naturalnews.com. Today we have some new information, breaking news from a medical journal called Cell Research. Right here from the Monsanto website, a couple of quotes you need to know. Here it is. Monsanto says, quote, "There is no need to test the safety of DNA introduced into genetically modified crops." And they go on to say, there is no need for or value in testing the safety of GM foods in humans.
Yahuwah, you felt the anger that I have not seen. Oh, you hear my prayer, then you understand my meaning. No, I never meant to ignore the sins I had to see. I'm no longer a slave to mental cruelty. Oh, oh, oh. I don't know me now. I can hear the Ruach talking out loud, talking out loud. I no longer drift alone. I keep holding on. Yahuwah is holding on. Yahuwah is holding on. I can feel him when he's holding on. I know that he hears me when I'm holding on. He's holding on.
The more genetically modified food you consume, the less human you become. It means that microRNA, which is information, it is genetic information, has now been found to pass from the foods through digestion into your blood and then to attach onto your organs. You got that? It goes from the food through digestion into your blood and attaches onto your organs, and there it modifies the function and the expression of those organs. This is groundbreaking science. This nullifies the safety claims of Monsanto. What happens when you consume plants that have been altered, artificially concocted in a laboratory by profit-driven scientists working for the most evil corporation in the world? You get information that's bad information. It's not natural information. It is frankenfood information, and when you consume that, that information goes into your body and then begins to program your organs and your cells and your tissues to behave in a way that is artificial, that is not natural, that is Frankensteinian in its effect, in essence. That's what we're seeing with genetically modified foods. If you truly understand what's being said here, your jaw should be dropping to the floor. It's that big of a deal. This is huge. It means that, again, eating these genetically modified foods and crops can alter the expression of your organs. If you eat genetically modified foods, you are absorbing information from those foods that can potentially cause cancer in your body. It can alter the expression, the function of your organs, such as the liver, and possibly, in fact, very likely, many other organs, including your brain, including fertility organs, including your kidneys, perhaps even your heart. In other words, the more genetically modified food you consume, the less human you become. That is a shocking but true statement. By eating this information, you are becoming less human and less natural. It's literally altering the expression of your body and your body's tissues. And most of the corn that's harvested in America today is Bt corn. Bt is genetically engineered to produce an insecticide chemical in its own kernels. Yeah, an insecticide. an insecticide that kills insects by causing neurological damage. They use it to make your corn flake breakfast cereals and your corn tortillas and your corn soup and everything else that you're eating at the grocery store that's not USDA organic. Got that? If it's not non-GMO, it's probably BT corn. What this means, and I hope you truly get this, I hope you really understand this point. Based on this study, now we have the understanding of a mechanism by which you might eat BT corn and you might become a person who is now coded or programmed to produce insecticide in your own body. You understand that? Neurologically damaging insecticides in the corn could pass through digestion. It could get into your blood. It could get into your digestive tract. It could perhaps even attach to various organs in your body. It could, in fact, transfer into the so-called friendly flora that inhabits your intestinal tract. And those bacteria could then begin producing BT insecticide in your own gut. That would cause you to start producing poison and suffering the symptoms of that poison inside your own gut. You could, in other words, become a pesticide factory. Again, remember when I said the more you eat of this, the less human you become. You're becoming less human and more factory, more pesticide factory. And now this isn't metaphor anymore, folks. I hope you get this. This is actual biological genetic truth. This is a scientific fact. It also means that the excuse that Monsanto uses, that we don't have to test this for safety in humans, there's no need to even test anything, that is pure quackery. That's junk science. It's corporate-run science produced for the sole purpose of selling more GMO seeds and generating profits for what is now considered to be the most evil corporation on our planet, Monsanto, and the second most evil corporation being DuPont, which is also very heavily invested and involved in the GMO seed industry. Now, stay informed about this. Keep watching naturalnews.tv where we will be posting these videos. We're also posting this audio on soundcloud.com. Share this video if you're watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, share it there. Get this information out to other people.